Bones versus steel, surprising strength.
The human bones are often compared to steel in terms of strength. Amazingly, when measured by weight, our bones can be stronger than steel. This extraordinary resilience allows us to move, lift, and endure impacts every day. But what gives bone its unique combination of strength and lightness? Let's dive into the fascinating science behind our skeleton's impressive capabilities.
What does stronger by weight mean?
Stronger by weight means comparing materials based on their strength for their mass. While a block of steel is denser and heavier, a piece of bone of the same weight can endure equal or greater pressure without breaking. This property, called specific strength, allows bones to support our bodies efficiently without being heavy like metal.
The amazing structure of bone.
Its bone isn't a solid mass, it's an ingeniously designed material. Bone is made up of a combination of protein fibers, mainly collagen, and mineral crystals, mostly calcium phosphate. These work together to give bone both flexibility and hardness. The internal framework, called trabecular bone, looks like a sponge, providing strength while minimizing weight.
How bone repairs and renews.
Unlike steel, bones are alive and constantly repairing themselves. Cells within bones break down old material and build new tissue. This ongoing process lets bones adapt to daily stresses and heal if damaged. This living repair system is one reason why bones can remain strong throughout life, even after breaks or injury.
Why our skeletons matter.
Our strong, lightweight skeleton is the reason we can stand, move, and jump. Its unique structure not only supports our bodies, but also protects vital organs and acts as a storage site for essential minerals. The remarkable design of bone inspires scientists and engineers looking to create stronger, lighter materials for technology and medicine.